Hi, I'm here with my patient who has a post-surgical shoulder restriction issue from having had a complete labral tear repaired surgically, as well as a couple of bony defects that were also shaved down. It was a rather complex surgery, so he's using dry needling to regain his range of motion, and he's having very good progress so far. And here what I'm doing today is electrical stim on the pec minor, as well as the anterior and medial deltoid, and the attachments on the humerus from the rotator cuff. That's what I'm doing. I've got the short head and the long head of the biceps, and I've also needled into the space in front of the coracoid process that comes from the back of the scapula. So that's what I'm doing here, and this is on the scale of 0 to 10 on strength of electrical stim. I'm at about a 10. So this is as strong as it gets, but he likes it this way. When you have it on this strong, you don't leave it on for very long, and you can also do it much more lightly than this. It really goes by the taste of the person, what they're comfortable with. And so that's what I wanted to show you, what this electrical stim looks like. That's a lot of jumping right there. Thanks for tuning in.